Hi everyone, my name is Joshua, and I will talking about this topic that is uh, animal intelligence. Intelligence. First of all, I think that this is a really nice and interesting theme, and according to my investigation, I I took information from Department of Biological Science of Macquarie University and University of Cambridge, and in Britannica, I think is the pronunciation, Britannica. That is a digital newspaper in England. And this I will talk about the that I understand, the things that I understand according to the readings that I made, that I did. The behavior animal has a name, is ethology. That's the science that study the behavior and the all the things that an animal has. In this case, we have to understand that an animal, the intelligence how to is how to solve problems in in a very well way. And in this could be, for example, to get food, to get a shelter, to get a sexual partner, I guess. That's just sexual partner. And even to avoid problems. In this case, I think that we have some characteristics really similar to animals. E, well, well, um, I guess that we can make some comparisons. Um, these things are really important because these mechanisms to solve problems are really important in each groups of animals in this huge work that we have. In addition to the intelligence is knowledge. We know that is the ability to learn, to get information, to save information in our brain. That a good example of that is the pets that we have in our house. For example, a dog. That if we make a good training to our pet, it could be even um, I, it could be it could it could help that type of people that needs a dog. I forget the blind people. Yeah. In this case, this is a great example that we have according to animal intelligence. Then we have the behavior of bees that are so interesting because according to the lectures, to the reading, sorry, the bees has an interesting behavior. The ethology about bees it's really important for us because even in prehistorics, even for prehistoric humans, to know the behavior of animals, it was really important for they in that moment because, for example, when our ancestors go outside from the caves to get food or to get something, they have to know that what kind of animals could be a problem for they, for example, the predators. Now it's the same thing happened right now because we have knowledge about even these animals that are so tiny, the bees. um, Obviously the bees are so important for us because the bees pollinate, I guess that is the word. And it's so important for farmers for honey obviously, but we have good things from the weather, even for the weather. um, I forget. Well, another things about ethology is the how to make relations in a group of animals. It a good example of this is about the apes that are almost similar animals that we have, that we can make a comparison, because we have some characteristics that should be a possibility to that oh, sorry, some characteristics really similar to us, like humans, like for example that they have to work together to get food, or to get a shelter, to get protection for their sons and daughters. Well, in our case, it's really similar. Well, this is really interesting to understand the intelligence of this of this world, of this animal kingdom. Yes, kingdom. Yeah, I don't know. And to know that we have the capacity to understand, and even to training animals to do things. For example, the raccoons are animals so intelligent. I guess that, well, that's that's kind of that's another things, but it's kind of confused to explain. But to explain, but this video is really long, and well, I'm gonna finish here. But thank you so much.